Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own homemade red American buttercream frosting. This is different to anything else I have on my channel, as the other red buttercream is Swiss meringue. This is completely homemade. It's a recipe that I have been using for 11 years now that I'm going to be sharing with you. And all of those shorts that you can see on my channel have all been created using the same recipe. Let's make a start. So if you are based in the UK, I have always found Lurpak butter to be one of the best for piping flowers, fur, anything detailed. It has a lovely soft texture. Obviously, if you are in America, you're going to have to shop around and find something very similar to suit your needs. In total, you're going to need 200 grams of butter, and you want to start beating this in your mixer. Alongside this, you are also going to need 300 grams of icing sugar. In America, this is also known as powdered sugar. I would highly recommend measuring in grams using electric scales, just so it's more accurate. So in this bowl, I have 300 grams of icing sugar. If you are in America, you can easily convert this to cups. However, I would highly recommend using some electric scales because they are more accurate. I just add this to the creamed butter that's been in my mixer. It's been in there for about 10 minutes on high speed, and I just mix it in. This is just to prevent the icing sugar from going everywhere. In regards to flavouring, Nelson Massey is my favourite vanilla extract on the market. Now, it is extremely expensive, but you really do taste the difference, and if you're making your cakes to sell, it's important to stand out. So here I am adding 1 level teaspoon of vanilla extract to this amount of buttercream, followed by 2 tablespoons of warm water. Now, I am not adding milk in order to make my American buttercream last longer. This now needs to be beaten on high until it starts to turn white and you can no longer see the grains of sugar. The warm water is going to help you be able to work with your buttercream straight away because it helps make it just that little bit softer. If you find that it's too soft, once you have coloured your buttercream and added it to the piping bag, simply place it in the fridge for about 10 minutes and it'll be the perfect consistency ready to pipe. This is the colour that you're aiming to achieve, and now we're going to turn it red. It's really simple. So a lot of people make the mistakes of adding the Pro Gels. Now, we are going to be using the Pro Gel, but only a small amount. To get it that burning red colour, you need an edible powder colour. This will prevent the buttercream from splitting and will also help prevent that awful bitter taste. Just look at how lovely and red it is. So you want an edible food colour. Now be careful because not all of them are edible. Make sure it's an edible one, and to do this, just look for the best before date. I'm using one by Fractal Colours. So I start by adding a small amount of the edible powder food colouring, and then I beat it on high. Now, a few things to note. The colours intensify over time. Sometimes it's best to get a deep coloured red, even if it's not deep. Place it into an airtight container and just pop it into your fridge. The following day, when you come to check on it, it will be darker. It's the same when we make white buttercream using E171. That intensifies over time. So in these different clips just here, you can see me just adding a little bit of powder or a little bit of Pro Gel. Go easy on the Pro Gel food colouring. You see how it's changed colour as we've gone further on, because too much of the Pro Gel colouring can make your buttercream split. And there we have it. It's as simple as that. Now I do this method with other colours as well, including black, navy blue, any deep dark colour. Go straight for the completely edible dusts. Happy baking, everyone. I really do hope I've helped you again today, and I'll be back soon with an awful lot more new, completely free content.